Can I see my phone?
No.
I have children. I really need to see the phone.
Okay, you're not getting the phone.
That's it. I need to go for like to know the phone.
You're just going to jail probably.
The jail? Why?
We'll see how this goes.
Why would I go to jail?
Stop.
Y'all already got me here because I'm not moving.
You're moving.
You're literally moving.
No, because I'm asking questions and y'all
Stop. You
not
can't talk without moving.
That's it. I'm not doing. Y'all acting like I'm being resistant and I'm not. No, I'm not being resistant at all. Yeah.
Okay, lean up against the car.
You unzipping me. I'm letting you unzipping me.
I can
Stop.
do
Y'all do not have to be that rough, please. Please. That's all I ask.
Yeah. But see, it was a legit pullover and all that, but this is where they get into that bullshit, because why you trying to lean me on a hot-ass fucking car? Nah, we're not doing the lean me on the car, put me in the back seat. Yeah, fuck all that. Yeah, I watch my head. Yeah, shit, I'm not leaning on no hot-ass car. You got me fucked up. Although I'm definitely not resistant, but I'm just letting you know I'm not going to do all that bullshit with leaning over the hood shit either, because, nah, nope. Ain't nobody got time to be leaning on no hot-ass hood of the car. Now, if they take you to the trunk of the car, I'm cool with that. If you try to sit me on a hot-ass hood, no, sir. Nope.
And y'all violating the hell out of my rights now. And I didn't do nothing. And it's all a traffic violation. But the simple fact you just said,
I have license plates on your car. One of which I can't see. One of which I can see is a tire.
Can I call someone?
No.
No, because I have children. Literally. Okay. That's it. Can you please take consideration? That's it. I'm not being disorderly or anything like that.
You want to stay on this side? Put your knees in the car, please.
So like,
where are your kids at?
We're at the hotel, so I really need to call somebody.
Who are they with?
They're with their self right now.
With who?
Their self right now.
Okay.
So can I please call somebody? That's it.
Shouldn't let the kids alone.
No, you're not.
Get your knees in
Can
the
you
car.
please not, please?
Get your knees in the car.
Should have had him in the
Miss
car.
Brown, please. I'm not being disorderly.
Get your knees in
Can
the car.
you please
Should have tried to play it off that way. Right now, I got these
That
kids.
is like you're being forceful. Please.
After searching her vehicle, they discovered 22 ecstasy pills, 6 grams of cocaine, 1 gram of marijuana,
Well, damn.
a digital scale, and nearly $2,500 in cash.
Yeah, they pulled over the plug. She had them Fizzles, Washingtons. Shit, she just driving around doing so much.
Got my fucking car. Stop the fucking car. I need to talk to my motherfucking kid. I need my phone.
No.
I need my phone.
You're in custody.
Okay, I done been to tell you before. Y'all can make me see my phone. I have children, please. That shit not right. I need my kids. I don't ask that for that. Man, violating my rights, bro. My kids, it's gonna take time. I need to contact my children. This is an emergency situation. I don't have to. It's gonna be hours. I'm not trying to be loud. I haven't been loud. I'm being loud now. For the simple fact, y'all not take consideration of children. Fuck me. Fuck anything I did. What? I'm talking about my children. That's it. Y'all not working with me. I haven't even been around. Fuck that. I need my children.
Alright. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. And you can go to the front of the car. Through the door.
India was charged with felony counts of possession, with intent of designer drugs and cocaine. Misdemeanor counts of possession of
Intent of
THC,
designer drug?
resisting,
What?
and bail jumping.
Distributing. He said with intent of designing drugs, distributing. Come on now. I mean, I'm high, but I heard that part, right?